if anybody calls me a blind supporter of BJP or an Andhbhakt after whatever I'm going to say right now, then that is completely a personal assumption. And whatever I'm going to say right now has nothing to do with any biasness towards any political party or towards any political figure. Well, so as we know that a lot of people are condemning Raghav Chadha over the fact that he has joined such a political party which he himself used to be critical about. But my question is, why is that a point of condemnation? Be a bit rational here. Please be a bit rational here. The fact is, if Raghav Chadha and the other members of AAP who have actually joined BJP used to be critical about various aspects of BJP earlier, and then if they have joined this particular political party, then it may also be the case that they are going to bring about the reformations in BJP according to the points they used to be critical about. Now, BJP is a pretty influential party. BJP is the party in power now, and if that happens, if these people work towards bringing those reformations or bringing those changes within BJP that they themselves used to be critical about earlier, then that is going to turn out to be favorable for the society, favorable for the nation. Again, I repeat, I'm not promoting BJP, I'm not spreading hatred against any political party, I'm not supporting any political figure or spreading hatred. But the fact is that this is not rational, this is not logical to condemn a politician for the fact that he has joined such a political party which he himself used to criticize earlier. Because the party's ideologies, its policies, its works and its everything is going to evolve, and also they are going to change according to the new leaders joining it. That is how it happens. So this is not a point of condemnation. Thank you so much.